Using help desk software to improve customer retention is a game changer for any business. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to enhance your customer experience and keep your clients coming back. Stick with me till the end because I'll share a special free trial for the software we'll be using so you can follow along. When it comes to retention, the key is consistent and personalized customer support. Help desk software allows you to manage and track customer interactions in one place. By streamlining this process, you're able to respond faster and more efficiently to customer inquiries. This not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also builds trust, two crucial elements for retention. First off, make sure you have a ticketing system in place. A good help desk software will let you create and categorize tickets, making it easier to assign them to the right team members. This ensures no request slips through the cracks. The best part? It keeps your team organized, which helps you address issues faster. Next, use automation to follow up with customers after their initial inquiry. With automation features in help desk software, you can send out follow-up emails to check if their issue was resolved or if they need further assistance. This simple step shows that you're invested in your customer's experience and that you care beyond just resolving a single issue. Another powerful feature is knowledge base integration. With our software, you can create a self-service portal where customers can find answers to common questions on their own. This reduces the number of inquiries and gives customers quick access to solutions, making them feel empowered and valued. Plus, it frees up your team to focus on more complex issues. One of the most impactful ways to improve retention is through personalized customer support. By using your help desk software to track past interactions, you can provide a more tailored experience. For instance, if you can see a customer had a problem last month, you can make sure to follow up personally and check if everything is going smoothly now. This shows customers that you're paying attention and can lead to long-term loyalty. Also, keep an eye on performance analytics. Help desk software provides detailed reports on response times, ticket resolution rates, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to identify trends and areas where you can improve. If response times are lagging, it may be time to optimize your processes to speed things up. Remember, the ultimate goal of help desk software is to create a seamless and efficient experience for your customers. By staying on top of their needs and providing personalized support, you'll increase retention and build lasting relationships. Key takeaway: use help desk software to streamline ticketing, automate follow-ups, create a self-service knowledge base, personalize customer interactions, and analyze performance. These are the building blocks of improved retention. Before we close, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out on the chance to follow along and improve your retention with the software we discussed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.